So we've looked at the benefits of Pilates for children, and I'm sure you're now really clear on why they all should definitely be doing Pilates exercises, no matter what age they are. Absolutely, every age group can get massive improvements in many different areas. But, and I know there's a but coming, I know you will have questions, I know you will have doubts and worries because it's such a new thing. All teachers feel the same, please don't worry if you do have any doubts. Here are some of the problems that teachers have asked us about and our solutions that we gave them.
So here's a pain point that I hear a lot, which is I'd love to do Pilates with my class, as I know it will help them in lots of ways, but I haven't got the time to prepare new Pilates resources. Some teachers also felt that they didn't feel confident creating resources that were accurate to the Pilates method whilst remaining safe and effective. Well, don't you worry. iMoves has created a package of resources that are safe for children, effective and true to the original Pilates mat work exercises. These are the iMoves Pilates Active Blasts for the classroom. Our active blasts are designed to be delivered and performed around their tables and chairs. So we always use their chair, don't we? And the space around their chair, and sometimes the table as well. And it just helps the children to stay in their own little space. We help them to work all their core muscles, build up their strength, and it's always done to a really fun theme. So there's no need for a PE kit. We just get them up, get them active, and away we go. And then afterwards, sit back down, they're ready and refreshed and focused. So our active blasts are lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they're all done specifically to a theme. So we've got the jungle, the enormous crocodile. We've got something called pumped up Pilates, which is absolutely bonkers. Things like the Egyptians and the Romans for the older kids. So some of them are themed and some of them are just loads of fun.
Yeah, and it's just all about a video. So you just pop on the video, load it up, press play, off you go.
I know, couldn't be easier.
Here he comes, the monster.
Terrifying tusks. Terrifying claws. Terrifying teeth. Terrifying jaws.
Facing your chair, put your elbows down on the chair, take a step back and step back with the other foot to join it. Make sure your body is in a straight line. Lift your head like the Sphinx. Hold that position. Well done.
Oh dear, Toto. We'd better go back home now.
Slash, slash, push, block. One more time. Slash, slash, push, block.
Disguise myself as a coconut tree.
There's also a Pilates PE program that supports dance, gymnastics and games and just takes a little bit more space. So if you've got space in the hall, that's perfect. Each year group has 2 different schemes of work, but they can be interchanged to suit the interests of the children. Each scheme of work has 2 lessons which progress and finish with a performance of the themed Pilates sequence of moves to music. Included in each scheme is an interactive movie. This features the performance at the beginning of the movie, followed by a breakdown of how to do all the different Pilates positions and how to theme them for the scheme. Flashcards allow children to practice their moves in pairs or small groups. The music track allows the children to perform without using the video.
These are the themes and fun ideas that you can find in the iMoves Pilates PE programme. For age 4 to 6, we have Hop Little Bunnies and The Jungle. 6 to 7 years, The Magic Bucket and The Haunted House. 7 to 8 years, Around the World and Winter Fun. 8 to 9 years, Scary Movies and I Went to the Market. 9 to 10 years, My Family and Through the Decades. And 10 to 11 years, the Olympics and different dance styles.
It's the Olympics! Please welcome your diving team! Your swimming team!
So as a teacher, there's lots of ways that you can use iMoves to introduce Pilates into a child's day, whether that be active blasts or into their PE programme.